We are pleased to show you the 2012 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.